So the Academy Awards aren't given out for unboxing videos at this time, but let me tell you, YouTube and social media viewers love them. If you're not sure what an unboxing video is or how to do one, this video is for you. Hey there, I'm Julie the Book Broad. I'm an Amazon overall #1 best-selling author and the founder of a fabulous company called Book Launchers. Our superpower is caring more about you and your book than anybody else as we help you write, publish, and sell a nonfiction book that will boost your brand and make you money. When you're receiving the first physical copy of your book, one of the smartest marketing things you can do is shoot video of that or even go live on YouTube or Facebook as you do it and record that event for your fans, friends, and family to share. It's just a great way to bond with the people who are there supporting you and your book. They're also routinely found in top watched videos on YouTube and can be added to your author profile pages and really add true connection for your readers when they find out about you and check you out. Now, an unboxing video is exactly what it sounds like. It's usually shot in a vlog style, and it's all about you, the author, seeing and experiencing your book baby for the first time. Leslie Quinsay set up her unboxing beautifully. Check this out.
Hey everyone, today's a really big day for me because something came in the mail the other day that's been a really long time in coming. So I thought I'd take a few minutes to film it this morning because I really wanted to share this moment with all of you. Inside this fancy little box are the first physical copies of my new book called Legacy. This actually came in the mail last night, but I was at a meeting and I got home really late, so I didn't really want to film myself opening it after looking completely exhausted and tired. So I saved it for this morning, although that made it really hard to sleep last night, and today I kind of feel like a kid on Christmas Day. As most of you know, this book's been a long time in coming. It's been about 1.5 years now, and it's almost like being pregnant. You know, I had this idea inside of me. You know, over the last while, I've nurtured it, I've let it grow, I've let it expand, and then you reach this point where it's almost like labor and delivery. It's finally time to give birth and see this amazing bundle of joy. So today, that's kind of how I feel, but it's a lot less painful and a lot less messy, although it's equally exciting. So today, I'd love to share this moment with you. I haven't seen the book yet myself. I've seen what the cover looks like. I've seen the layout electronically, but I haven't actually seen the physical book. Got my trusty scissors. I'm gonna pop it open right now, and let's take a look and see what we've got. Lift out my new book. I'm so excited. Pretty much exactly what I was hoping it would look like. I actually had something in mind in terms of how it would look and feel, and I was so scared that I'd open this today and it would not be that. But here it is, Legacy, my new book. It's a paperback. It feels fantastic. It's got that new book smell. I'm really excited about it, and I'm really happy I've been able to share this moment with you guys.
And a great unboxing also captures the raw emotion of the moment, like Marc Megna here.
This is very special. All right, waiting for this a long time.
You can't quite see it in the video, but you can feel the emotion of the moment as he holds the book in his hand. The title's also very personal for him, well, as is the entire book. So he's really feeling a lot of emotion. By the way, you should grab his book, and Leslie's too. Very inspiring and motivating. Now, if you're worried about creating a fancy video, you don't need to. This is about sharing the experience with your community. Michael Brenner, he does a great job. He even opens the door to get the package. So you are literally right there in his house experiencing the entire thing.
Hey everybody, today's a really exciting day. I just got a notification from UPS that my proof copies of my book have arrived. So they've been delivered, and now I'm really super excited to open them up. I'm gonna get to see and hold Mean People Suck for the very first time. I'm actually wearing my merchandise, which you can buy on meanpeoplesuck.com. Check that out. So I'm really excited. All right, come check it out with me. All right, here it is. Let's go check them out. So this has been like a 3-year process for me. I wrote the book about 1 year ago. I finished it up. I've been working with Book Launchers to get it edited and proofread and designed, and now they've finally been printed. So the books are here. Oh my God. So awesome. What do you think? You can check it out on meanpeoplesuck.com. Thank you for everyone's support and encouragement through this whole process. I'm super excited to check this out. All right, see you later.
And it's shot on an iPod. I think he has someone shooting it with him, but a lot of them are shot with a tripod or someone else holding it for you. Just make sure you've got great sound. A simple Shure mic plugged into your iPhone can go a long way. Now, some things to think about before you do your unboxing video. Think about lighting. Think about providing some backstory about your book, who you might want to thank, and take a moment to feel the emotions when you see your book for the first time. Actually feel it. And then have a call to action for your readers. Buy a copy of your book. Join the book army. You don't want to have a big long story for each of those, but a quick point under each of those points will go a long way.
Hi everyone! As I promised, this is really super happy Friday. You know why? Because I just got my first copy of my new book. Came in. And here we go. Whoa! Look at this! Wow! Very easy read, very friendly. As you can see, it's not a really thick book. Let's see what's in there. Ooh, champion by choice. Got my signature on it. Oh, nice. For my parents who always supported me even when I baffled them. Oh, look at this preview here. Ooh, look at all these chapters. There's a lot of good stuff in there. Make sure you get on my mailing list today for your tips on how you can become champion by choice. You can do it through my website at willhung.com. I look forward to talking to you again soon. Bye.
But one final tip, don't wait too long to start the unboxing. These videos are an opportunity to share a few details about why you wrote the book, who it's for, why it matters, but don't spend too long in that preamble. Your viewers are there for the moment when you open that box and see your book baby for the first time. So don't make them wait forever for that moment or you might lose them. Do you have an unboxing video tip? Share that in the comments below. And when you comment the day a video is released, you'll be entered to win some sweet Book Launchers swag like this #NoBoringBooks mug. I've been told that coffee tastes better in it. Try it and find out for yourself. Just comment on this video and make sure you've subscribed with notifications turned on so you can make sure that you're finding out when the video comes out. Do you know the 2 most important lists you need for your book launch? That's in this video right here. If you're not here for marketing tips, the latest video might be more your jam. Check that out there. Either way, let's keep hanging out for a while, okay? I'm really enjoying our time together. So click over to one of these 2 videos because I'm waiting for you.